We all have been searching for the formula to master prompting and help us generate precisely what we're looking for. But why not just ask ChatGPT itself, what is a good prompt? So I threw this very question back to ChatGPT itself and looking for an answer. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 building blocks for a good prompt given by the AI itself that you can use to produce high quality results consistently. Okay, let's see what are ChatGPT's the first attempt to this question. Clarity, specificity, context, open-ended, relevance. You think this is pretty mediocre, right? You're not wrong. So why not? Let's just ask ChatGPT to give us a better version. Now we are talking. Can you explain the key characteristics that make a prompt effective for eliciting detailed and thoughtful responses? Additionally, could you provide some examples of good prompts for different contexts, such as creative writing, academic discussion, and problem solving? Amazing! And guess what? Let's bounce it back to ChatGPT to see what happens. Now you can see the results become more detailed and actionable while your prompt evolves. It gives an example as well as an explanation to facilitate your understanding of the topic. And just so you know, I did a little bit cheating there because I asked ChatGPT to rank the 5 building blocks based on its importance, hoping that it can help us to come with an effective workflow when we're drafting our prompts. The first and most importantly comes desired outcome, relevance. The general rule is the prompt should align with the intended goal or objective. This ensures that the response will be useful and pertinent to your needs. A good example is, what are the most effective strategies for achieving financial freedom before turning 40? Please provide practical tips that individuals can implement and explain why these strategies are crucial. Practical advice is the desired outcome relevant to the young people who wants to achieve their financial freedom. Tip number 1, start with the end in mind. Clearly identify the format of your desired output, which is relevant to your end goal. Either it is summarizing a paragraph, a code script to achieve certain functions, or here in this example, a set of practical tips to achieve financial independence. Second comes the specific task. Specificity. The prompt should be focused on a particular task or aspect. This helps guide the response and makes it easier to address the topic thoroughly. For example, generate a Python script that reads a CSV file, filters out rows where value in the age column is less than 18. Ensure it handles potential errors and saves the filtered data to a new CSV file. The prompt is designed to get a script that performs a precise data manipulation task while handling errors, ensuring the output is directly usable. Tip number 2, use verb plus noun structure to define your tasks, like generating a script, analyze consumers' demand, or simply smashing that like button. The third, context and background. It helps to frame the prompt and guides the respondent in understanding the scope and the relevance of the question, such as develop a 3-month fitness program for a 60-year-old male with power yoga experience who wants to improve flexibility and core strength. He prefers low-impact exercises due to a history of knee issues. This prompt includes age, gender, fitness background, specific goals, and health considerations. With comprehensive context for your customers, you won't risk breaking a senior with some heavy bench press. Tip number 3. So technically, you have infinite context you can add to your prompt, but try to narrow it down by applying the 5 W's framework. So concentrate who, what, when, why, and where you are now, and who, what, when, why, and where you want to be. Next is the clear instruction, clarity. The language of the prompt should be straightforward and precise, ensuring the respondent easily understands what is being asked. For example, please rate your satisfaction with our customer service on a scale from 1 to 5, where 1 indicates very dissatisfied and 5 indicates very satisfied. The prompt defines the scale of the rating, ensure respondents understand how to provide and gauge their satisfaction level. Tip number 4, a good reflection is that try to imagine your approach to the expert in that field and ask a question. If it's likely to take them more than 5 seconds to start to respond to your question, that might be a sign that your question is lack of clarity. And here's our last one. Encourage elaboration, open-endedness. The prompt should involve detailed and thoughtful responses rather than just simple yes or no answers. Open-ended questions simulate more comprehensive and nuanced answers. For example, instead of asking whether AI should replace human workers in manufacturing, consider how AI could enhance productivity and safety standards in manufacturing environments. This approach shifts the focus from a binary decision, should AI replace humans, to exploring possibilities and practical applications of AI in manufacturing, fostering a deeper exploration of benefits and challenges. Tip number 5, simply reframe your prompts from should to could. That will immediately open up so many more opportunities and possibilities. And this is a perfect example for how can I keep a prompt open-ended and specific. All you need to do is to incorporate the 5 building blocks when necessary and applying its tips. As you can see, it is quite a big difference between my first prompt to the revised given by ChatGPT. And let me tell you one more secret. If you have no clue how to write a good prompt for your use case, just ask ChatGPT as what I did today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.